ayo game na omasha madeba ebi awon so bonampo wo so aduwa ba besi aye Real Madrid wo so TV no so na enu ababra ko ba so mu game no the Real Madrid TV akane nyina no se enu a wo so anya penalty ama referee no enso na bunani gusu a wo so na yes onche esensa ya fo Jose Maria aye Sanchez maintenance enu no awsan ka wo penalty enso Adama Rodrigo incident ni na oman twai ama chasa anchekra report amensa kanasa na jona no wo so communication by eno aye nia kanasa La Liga campaign for no wo so publish way aye nkoma across between aye center referee na ye for say Jose Martinez ono enso aneva aye for say Figueroa Vasquez omomie no enko mo dia no say wa bra dia we see no yesem opani no awon va demo enso akacha referee say one of the about commercial opening our Sompa pitch side monitor nam on kasabasha when is what here and Jose Maria Sanchez Martinez na one aye center referee catch on say one anya dia so de sabachre ba bia wo mama hwehwe na nka mesebia wa be penalty bi anasan probibi nie enti ando tiri ba sapo no wo manya wadiri go hwe ana chesa contact no kran no enso aye minimum to penalty a enye yenti wa bra ko ba so recommendation enso ba the referee decided say anya re so ba pitch side monitor na mom share so mame say emrano and some say ebiava ebetimi recommend na mom final decision aye won referee na wo so dis match ni to wura no wo kaso o mahwa na chese on tomra ni nyina na aye update and some aba amatches no pan nyina no ye de aye ho samete ba and some na kakra filmo and some aba na enwa manager ye follow Carlo Ancelotti say adiba kwa na ye na ha na ye pa no say last season am say too much per ana mulusu ye ebia La Liga ni manso ni ya ye fa no se bia na competition sanka mon shida lusu matches kase na so me no kase o ka Champions League no and so La Liga boma so far Real Madrid alusu matches ama akuma ko enum aye 5 defeat ana team ye fa no se Madrid wo mo so record was say odiri e ba sasede na last season o ye solid no was say this season and tesa na wo so mo ko so aye jumade sede be ya wo mo so betimi recover na odiri e ba players na woman some apra our Madrid our brabesine woman timi mo basans adamilita wonom ani David Alaba nom arechese ye Vinicius Junior omunyina no ensom apra was onya sankora no nyina baka aye de amari team no ensom abafa no tuma perform anioma ensom akokama ama side na eno aye asema manager Fransa Ancelotti ensom atepai na eno our breakoba sa woman lose game outside the biamekase and the normal circumstance and kebi abani say namo pom namo ko dressing room many jana ba no aba tiam na wa kana dwe e dia chom no wa chom sampa na bu afu enwa de menya no sam our Madrid omo local room no na chess environment ni serene omo say na ne am very calming you know say Ancelotti a talk our demand boys no our dressing room enwa and say enwa woman da fom na mo ba bia Real Madrid agina sensi am no ka say no woman ana betimi abon so back woman ana betimi afom ntuma pafra woman ana betimi asori na omon fansho mutirim say La Liga and Katie Champions League and Katie Super Copa de España omuwom ana Copa del Rey and omuwom enti manager automatically yes we catch your boys in some Jumedi ahodoa wamu deni distance ni nyina no wamu dasom our competitions ni nyina mo etis obi akacho sampo ai na bia mo ye dead ana sampo aye den La Liga mo ntimi nyia wo say enya no krama eno ma boys no ensom ayawe na mama Jude Bellingham enwa baby eno bam in Mbappe they say the emo dio ba ma ye kase obi here wa we am sa baby anko be kase bi obi ye boy no na yenim ne asi ane yenim ne aba say Mbappe no obo no was saying no a ban was thrown on the command power na chance and trophy bi ne aye legends bi so se bama I was how born out the weekend in here you can say confidence level enra penalty abai our brand game no aye 1-0 Mbappe aba betika wonu ya fa bonam se kai atono so wonu ya mouse na goalkeeper ya bat boy and some body at 20 and sooner later the shot of boy rebound and a branch of Jude and some Madina Romania, Yafano sa equalizer, and some Amalos Blancos, Omutimino, na Jamensakan and Nano Pensorana, Yafano Yavia Balbua, on a bono, woman Yama Bobia, Yamatimana, Balbua, Dabaswa Canning answer in Bapo Umpo, one and another Casino, where the best player, our assassin, so Monforgatamo Ballon d'Or, and I ran that Jenna, Jenna Vinicius Dente, when we found say Yavia Balbua, I say, I am Mbappe, and I currently, one of some unimportant bonimum, woman, your man daddy, our partner, so I was a free gray, one of some Atimanioma, and some Atimi show, now Dabaswa Canning answer B, and some idea, and Rakobaswa, only a cover penalty, I just on some boy, was in Quebec, San Kebia, and penalty, no, Nanu Kansan Kebia in Mbappe, and some apple. Now, I'm going to find the Alcatena, your fans and Mbappe, and also, or one of fans, Axel Torres, or no some be our Canadian Paparodesta. Now, Axel Torres, and will say, huh? I'm out for review. Mukaisa Mokofa, Luka Modric, Empire, the first season, moment to me born to two, and a 1 year quacker for a bay, and 1 year was some Montono Manenko. Now you're for about from Curiasiano, Modric, Abaja Ballon d'Or, a Durbabina for standing ovations, I can see, and a Modema Brantia, your father said, Luka Modric in Torudie, or Julius Enchabia, and you go back, was a Jabakua, a Sessa Modric, a Shabre, and some our Madrid, I go bina, and maybe a Trump or Shire, and some at Manchester United, okay, now I have Champions League, Man U, and some Anibabo Cravans of Madrid, and a Cabas of Madrid, Ashas Agono, was a Gono, and a man, you must say, Sanama Cotana, your fathers of Madrid, and Namano Casino, one of them so fathers of Drogba, where I did is Tibili Drogba, na Drogba, and was say, in Bapenum, Munaba Tramano, na, as I'm on for to me, Kabia Drogba say, one quiet and one pro because and now what Casino was saying or a little disappointed. And you to that Drogba say or disappointed Kakra was said the amount for being Nasi Kasembi Arches and Riasini Penia now Cotain Obama Madrid Nanuye and you be a more officer one crown or coin shiros no Kona Burkinos went to mean Trony Papabia went to mean Shadanya Princess in Papabia Samuel Crossing Nano was some affected Akotano Nayana Murafi and your matches and Nipabi and some I am ready at home. A Durabina Sabia on a difficult period. One more can praise him. Hallelujah. Safoya. I say, yes, you are poor. Not young, cry, not Drogba. I said, none of your best 2 years ago and tie. Okay, sir, your boy 2022 World Cup, our Qatar was him and Messi and Argentina for and Kakodawe at the France almost star. Tosumi and some more minor because how much World Cup just say 1998 the other day and Unconcoda and what Yakoday and a 2018 one still tournament you know and some Ajama France Amino a BM 2 years ago you know and Cosaja World Cup and Tosumi and some Ajama France and some Mino that's what Kuba Argentina your message she NCA Modasum Dunatam Drogba say and none and a chance one sport and your ball amuboy Nipan Shadan Kai Senra on we shall go and then Ushia Uchawata Udigua Ombeka and I said a drug bounce at defend the Alcatana your father's in Bompa your day I update and some Natama your for an pay and some our shadows are free Mammy Alcatana versus Danny Olmo now Olmo Yan Wabisasa, a criminal you messing num, and it's a yes, Ronaldonum, woman say handle or fame. Because Untimin Pianco restaurant, Nipabe Poo, Abba, a Drew baby, just oh, new man, and I bet you, baby, I want to come on for your home, Fia Samaba. Now, yes, it done Olmodiano, as I'm on to me, enjoy how famous Archesana, one of some our Barcelona, Sanobia Terminal, now on your Barca boy, Okoi, and or buy, now or buy, I said, you must see Querman Udinitama, what bo, was share, no matter what I was so, I'm said your boy, no, I'm set pressure, Alcono, so want to me. Living in normal life, say, oh, Mafaha, Maraha, Messia, Dabi, I'm said to be an Nima and some Quackano. So, no real fun, sir, a Yahansa flick. Jamin said, Mini channel, yes, sir, at Jobako and Yan here, Pan say. Nenkoda no woman physical conditioning and some other kama esansa unia hodia untimi mobo anya se bia born na say ya passing wo kwa America sa dabi I was so unia hodia na wa brother to me endure and say bia game no aya 90 minutes na bia referee and some other near can say additional time and I say bia added on other time and so to so ama was say unia hodia no bobo sa game nyina still na no yeso drew ayobobo kwa na say Barcelona ade hi omo ye pa and some aye physical conditioning and no aye nioma aye somebody jana daswa one some aye and one or and a bossa one president and say you want to just ha oh no I'm to abama no nanko de adwuma no ebe ma hanse flick and a flick assign contract Emma Germany woman national team say di kan da ache em ya catch us omo ya campaign Emma Ore Salah Porta no na former coach Xavi enka ho entinki akomo be coach Barca na kanya Xavi na mom oba ye em say socials no be ya ma Xavi mra anomo ma Xavi Africa ta ebai entinka wo ko bi adwuma no awosan ka kro edemana na ka answer flick ene ya wona manager eye adwuma no owura no say na ni je awa bro diriye pasa adwuma na owura no ebo no nyina no still na no abakoso akoye na odiriye basa moduma no eno anie esansa baby abako Germany no yerim say Germany man wo so atimi produce aye coaches akukudam Germany man no asom na produce coaches a wo so anima adwuma eno aye asema president na ye fa no say wala porter asom adu dwade men second sesi and say Super League Serbia waje yo say Super League akwata because of the new format and some other Champions League there and yet when you because the minya no pen say yes Super League ampen for no wo mu ye adwuma underground na many teams akoma 100 and I think commercial efa omu project no na out of the 100 clubs no report to minya no say emu amakumaku 60 na chesanon ayadiosia wamo se omaji atum abanko ade a wamo som aba join enti asose bia Super League no ebeba ne anase abeba ochina no wamo se asom na deminya no say out of 100 clubs ne de emu 60 enso atiase aka 40 wamo da som na try say wamo som abetumi ya conference na mama mfront to say AC Milan team no yenim so manya 125 years amana Barca enso ayepa na Milan for the Jason no ababonten na Milan omu Jason omu di ababonten nyina no say wey ayetete dia nanam honorary president Edema Milan ye friend Franco Baresi ora ye friend Franco Baresi na say ye want to just omu Jason we no a true reflection of AC Milan 1 omu soul 2 omu passion 3 omu history 4 and some vision and some adama date and it's no mujina so a some JC to say and some other buyer na yerimsa Bobo Cavani Real Madrid womo per Rodri and what Bonsa Nico Williams BM and some say Rodri na say mabeto jasa onoso ni akwara for say Nico Williams no edidi dim komansan on Man City na doku di doku abaza obedi doku no county yes no crack now brainum adaso soja gum yes Rodri aka try say Sir, one who can see a cameraman city crown, what me at your Ballon d'Or, ain't he at Chelsea? Who here, Sabia was so popo, Emma Madrid, and answer Bonsa, and son watch a Ballon d'Or. I'm a Geminian, almost so bomb. Woman, your branch was a Williams, not Japanese and Quadia, and your Man City Bobokuno, and some other striker, and I update, and also about Mohamed Salah, and you was after game coaching her, your father and a slot, and about to Casa, Boynum, I was saying, I'm now, Freddie, manager. Considering Liverpool goes so much this season, Salah involved in 75% or final percentile and also the percentage now 75% and now Salah no ball Liverpool goes at this season we are the framework comes about almost one now. I see how relegation and Manam coach and say Abrabia Omobehia Mohamed Salah Biano Oshako Abrabia Liverpool Ebesu Afra Mohamed Salah Biano what you almost so and your more chanty not just a penny Bia Kodai Pebiano I was some of the man said be a bueno and some about me stay now when I'm someone to this season I'll compare last season at Chelsea 14 matches our Premier League Now I'm on 19 points last season. Everyone at home, I'm about 14 games. I'm on 29 points. That 28. Now just I'm really 3 more at the account. Now Opa Bra Chelsea and you 28 points last season. One about match day 20. Every and send up Pochettino and you 28 points and no and I'm a for me basa sana tedi amasa yen tedi a coach and I ya derby ya new Arsenal and ya new Liverpool ya new Man City yen to me chilling in Anwa or fan said Jimmy Floyd Hasselbank I know I will be our bomb at the amateur Chelsea goes Libya now Jimmy Floyd I say you want to just a baby as I say Chelsea Dana one more toss me on the massa munya na ya boy league no betimi agye munyintum sa mu betimi agye eno ana Chelsea o ye Chelsea yentie Jimmy ensema odi tudwa.
And look, when you're second, yes, 7 points difference, you always have to fancy yourself. I think when you're playing for Chelsea, that's what you have to aim for. That shirt brings trophies and the expectation, you know, from the fans the last 20 years. They've been winning a lot of trophies.
Yeah.
So yes, 2-3 years they have had a difficult time. Now they're second. They're playing good football. It wasn't expected really from the beginning of the season, but they are there now. So you need to embrace it. You need to enjoy it, but you also have to take the challenge and say, you know.
Yes, and no, again, some more red fan say Jimmy Floyd Hasselbank, and I'll tell you, you're doing some of them, I'm a brother, Quanamum, Mammy Squeezy, the Akaning, and also from essence, I know Shapana, Mammy, coach, you know, on Madueke, me per coach, we have some brutal Mike, okay, from day one. And I'm catch us and a pre-match and a post-match. I'm at you know what can I say? Jane Payne when you be the one that Pochettino and as Basa what kind of chronic was it Madueke the Indian and Seno Mani Mobino I should go back we assess back on Wakunko Nitrimian Denanichi and one and what Yada. It don't matter. I said, what do you your coach? You know,
and tonight he has to go for the second one, for the first one. Yeah. With Noni, I have a personal relation in terms of he can do much more. He can do much more. And in the moment that he start to score or assist and he's happy, he start to drop a little bit. And the reason why he was not playing, because I don't like the way he train. And he has to understand that he has to train every day good. He has to be ambitious if score 1, 2.
Yes, na chesa sere na se kwa na boy ni sie ni training ni na no wono kwa na chesa na ni enso enche ho eno ya sema coach no enso ade ba wonyo wo mo anu aba bo ntia be defender masa we honest e wa bra wo kanu kwade ya cho Arsenal team no wonim said the last 4 games so many boboku a ye friend Manju abo amasha Manju 4 times in a row for the first time in their history ade ya to aso Ateta bojuma pana yes oni Arsenal for she wonim said from last season see this season I'm no say no don't so mo kan nyina say Arsenal lose game Emma the big 6 15 matches and I'm from last season about this season Arsenal lose game na kwan bay and Arsenal for so show obi atwanwom na unsa manager say dey ekona nko a odi shark ma Arsenal for nwum na say ekwan na Arsenal ever so shegwe yentie kana as I said, I am quite it's just not no Mammy coach in that fantasy Ruby and Moribo said, as I for the body quite more over the Jacob Kum, and Yacob Martinelli. No more qualified Yacob out because Saka. No my cross and I was Alfred whoa. You know more about us. Just have a good hey. As I said, we are no more crossing so at a good by 7. I will put numbers. Name possible, but I'm moving by Yentia Ruby Amorim.
I think if you follow Premier League for a long time, you can see that they are also big players for that, and you can see it in every occasion that Saka and Martinelli has 1-against-1. A lot of times they go outside, they cross. They already know that if the cross is going well, they can score. If it's a corner, they can score. So we have to be better on that situation. But in every area of our game, we need time to improve also. But you can see in all Arsenal games that every team has problem with that.
Na se kwana no eyen kwade ana se crossing yen kwade Arsenal for be shegu ebi na ma be bato fe kan na person mo ye the new Stoke City no Mike na mo ye
nya me ado bi kama you say omo plan for omo prepare for game omo ye dey omo ba nyem no address you Shadrack on your boy nyem ba ko
omo nyem ba ko ba omo se problem na Arsenal for vasu
Shadrack, make a question now when we are play. Coach, I better you really match, no? Your man.
So place wow.
Exactly. So, since the start of last
season. That's not crossing the bar. So last season, Momo discussing.
Routine, no. You see, various routines you see. They could say they know man, you know. They crowd at the far post. People 6 or 7. Now, okay, 6 moment, 7. In Tinipa 6, player 6, crowded at the far post. Now they're all corner, then they get like 2 people to man the 18-yard box in case of stopping counterattacks. Then Bobia, now Amaro, they 6-yard box in him. It is a strategy they use very well. And Nipo Wecheni and Nicolas Jova. Unim kwaya Nicolas Jova be a set piece coach at Yehuni. It came by accident. No call University of Sherbrooke. No University of Montpellier. Now, more transfer no echo University of Sherbrooke, Quebec, Canada, just to better his English, because basically he was from a French background. Inti Oko Quebec na 2 universities no mo share. Now Oko Sherbrooke no Oko join the school team, university team, because he was playing football for the former university. Inti as part of arrangement ni bibia no mo to Abama no be captain of the Sherbrooke University football team. Na coach I know that team na no na SSADia. And now Nicolas Jova ne bian wa bang and then the understanding of technical issues in T. Oko obtain be kan the technical team ne ho ye ne the third coach. In the third coach no and as University of Sherbrooke coach no allow Nicolas Jova to explore. So he learnt a lot. And on man that specific role as a set piece coach. In T1 co school so ball coaching. It is something that just came up by accident. He was introduced to it, and our master and Nicolas Jova is making success with Arsenal using set pieces. And yet you be a bia and a idea or share they soon so be me man shut down Cusco and Siase me ba be juma way. At times there are certain things that become a beneficial or a blessing to you and your life. Not because you carefully planned your life to get it or you carefully designed your path just to fall in that line. It came by accident. I entered into radio by accident. Then a challenge was thrown. Then I veered into it. Nicolas Jova. But if you do it and do it well, and then the piano bedroom pempen bedroom and this success at the bro. And I don't know why people are berating us now, so we use corner kicks. But you see, Francis, Obeji League, Obeji any championship, Obeji title, Obeji trophy. There was certain elements of the game where you need not eschew it. I was how the count game now. Liverpool at a point in time, Omokofo obi so ombe how ombe make it the most out of throw.
Yes.
See Akofa ball near throw. They brought in a throw specialist. If Arsenal decide to employ set pieces, especially from corner kicks, to get an advantage over an opponent, and a working mom, all the big games on Mabon, most of them, set pieces in the ball against Tottenham, and then Gabriel Magalhaes from a corner, similar instance, and nobody has 3 points. And from corner kicks, they got the 3 maximum points. Into a extra layers of their game. If they are one-dimensional, or 2-dimensional, who's predictable, or possessor is here, Arsenal can easily be stopped. But if you know that Arsenal, they can choose not to possess the ball in a typical fashion, but they will try to play dark arts, kakra, and employ set pieces to get the most of a game against you. So there is nothing wrong. And to me, I think I will applaud them for adding this element to their game. And if they use it to their advantage, it becomes an act of genius. Intimami mbireti omu bebre nkike mungu omuso na Arsenal na kona I think they are doing something positive. Nicolas Jova, for everything he's doing, ayana ekoye ntiembo mabaso for that. But away from that, City needed an inspiration, and I came from Kevin De Bruyne, one of the old guys. Wabwa Pep Guardiola since he became the Manchester City boss.
Yeah.
Watch here. Almost every squad Pep has built, De Bruyne has been prominent in that particular squad. In the third rebuild, he will not have De Bruyne available. Or 33 years. Idris Idinya. But in the immediate, City needed a solution to the current slump. Not a more tiako form, or more say. And they needed somebody from the old guard to come and calm the waters. Oma bibia nye cool, oma bibia nye calm and farm. And it's because Pep knew the impact of De Bruyne in the Manchester City setup. And records nature, whenever De Bruyne has started in the Premier League for Manchester City in the last 35 matches, fancy, they don't lose. Until Enra no Babe starting. It painted the picture clearly. De Bruyne starting again, they win most of these games, and then they draw very few of them. Defeat and can be whenever in the last 30 plus games, Kevin De Bruyne has started the Amomo. Exactly. So if there was no Rodri, if Bernardo Silva are not giving what they are supposed to do, if Gundogan and 9 to me then let's fall on just one old guard who is a creative wizard, Kevin De Bruyne. He steps in, then he's able to help City get the lead. Not just that, but he's able to help them recover and then get a very much needed win, a calm BBR. Because what City needed was just one break, a break away from the slump, the jinx. Omo break it away, now fade here, their mentality will be eased. Pressure be and ball almost settle na fe omotimia their usual stuff no makos no matua, and Kevin De Bruyne had to do it for them. But I think the opposite of it is that it means Pep Guardiola and the third rebuild no nyoma mbe den kakra.
Okay,
so ya what say now was said De Bruyne enche all free club nim na babejia, then what does it speak of omwa yedi omaba team nim to come and transform the side? It leaves big questions unanswered, bigger stones unturned. What happens to Savinho, Doku? All of these players are supposed to be transformative figures. You remember City team, and if Pep is rebuilding, rebuilding. So what happens? So De Bruyne has saved them now, but it doesn't give enough assurances for the future. Said that said De Bruyne ni bejawa. How will Pep cope? Maybe he will find another player similar to
Sompa
Kevin De Bruyne. But I think Ebema Nyoma Muswa Dendi Amomwa and Shana Eye Nyoma are difficult for Manchester City. Away from that, I think Mo Salah is great. Yes. Obienu Obedi Nwechini Enra. It was the 36th game. I stand to be corrected. 37th different Premier League gamer. Salah Ashego was answer assist in the same game. Not only Rooney in the share record. No, Rooney had 36. There's a Premier League back player back on Shego Asanswa assist. And on Salah at the core 37. Rooney had got 36. o check the longevity aspect. Rooney ball league ne do was in Mo Salah. All ball league ne do. So if Salah is able to do it, it demonstrates one, the impact in the Liverpool team, and then also on the league. And then two, it cements his great nature and his greatness stature. The league in him. Clearly, he deserves it. Enra, he scored a goal, and then he scored 2 goals, and then he assisted the other. And yet the first time Salah will be this season. And I can go on and mention for you. Premier League games are Salah are decisive with goals and assists. Ipswich, almost first game, Salah scored and provided an assist. Against Manchester United, almost winning 3-0. Salah share goal, almost 2 assists. He was involved in all 3 goals. Then against Chelsea, almost winning 2-1. A Salah goal and an assist. Aston Villa 2-0. Salah goal assist. Man City 2-0. Salah goal assist. Enra, 2 goals from Salah, 1 assist. What does this tell us? Salah is carrying this Liverpool team. I think that for everything Liverpool seeks to do this season, without the backing of Omua Omokahono, Salah's own will not be enough. What are the other attackers doing? And I think I am them probably no Liverpool attack yo. We gloss over a lot of incompetence of Liverpool attacking him. Maybe the closest to Salah per appearance will be Diogo Jota.
Okay.
But on Prepra. But where is Darwin Nunes? Luis Diaz where made the info be a picture be send Sharak. Obet me the atoso. You check the Liverpool squad and their goal distribution say and you're surprised and say, oh yeah, way no. Or say Salah you're responsible for 75% of goals at Liverpool Eshe. He's reliable. He always be available on tempera. Good news. No problem. But in a title challenge or a title charge for the long stretch, even the best of players will suffer a loss of form at points in time. And then I will hear the rest, the supporting pack, to also show up. And to what I was expecting, they say, in a season, I had touting a Liverpool season to lose. Their best attackers should not be that distant from Salah. Check it. Salah shared 13 goals. The closest is Luis Diaz, who shared 5. Cody Gakpo, 2. No attacker again. There is Darwin Nunes. I don't think this is challenging enough and puts them in that free. So something must be done about this. And yes, Ebedi Liverpool. Are Chelsea title contenders? Fancy? Yes. Chelsea are title contenders. Good.
Why yes?
Chelsea have a deadly attack. And in fact, as it stands, statistically, they have the best attack in the league. 31 league goals scored.
Yeah.
Good. They have a good squad
Sompa
with a healthy balance. And yet, Timo, they have a good squad. Enra, how many changes na Chelsea here? 7 changes. But they were able to demolish Southampton. You red card ni frame. You Southampton or more position frame. But being able to win a Premier League game when you are not a consistent starter, it tells a lot about the squad balance of the Chelsea team. But they have an average defense with a very error-strewn goalkeeper. Now, this is why I come in. The entire Chelsea have a title contender, no? By accident and by plan. Before the season started, Chelsea and plan is all Belgian league. And also in Chelsea, a league ne Giano Betuomo Kwemo. So Chelsea are title contenders, but they are not originally a contender. They are this because of an accident. Accident in USA, City at Tiashe, Liverpool, Arsenal, they've been wobbly. But for the after the international break, Omaya consistent kakra. And Chelsea have learned not to lose games. One way to become consistent in a title chase, and not losing games. Make winning games or not losing games.
Okay.
That is how Arsenal can go an entire season unbeaten. But I'll bet check, none of draws never 10.
Mate.
So Chelsea have learned the habit of not losing
Sompa
games.
Sports.
And if they're able to forge this character, it will put them in that state.
Yeah, Mate,
and they are better place to challenge.
for pressure on 2 years. So, McAllister, one guy be there. But I was say Liverpool could bottle the league. Liverpool could bottle the league title to Chelsea. McAllister, I don't know. Well, for us, we are not in quality for so.
And then I cast a Chelsea Belgian League and I say, oh, person,
you know what your fish is. Yeah, boy, ball. Born in a ball, be a money, there will be any
Premier League.
Liverpool, a Belgian League. Man City, yes, no money. There be a coach in the Camont.
Premier League, yeah, bow to me, yes, 7 changes, except 5.
because of Tottenham
game omo buy no obia be share go mo on be boy omo boda no munya bi mo na no be boy no be share go ma do be share go
it is
João Felix boy no boy he says I said o bobo abia no me nam e say omo see the new N'Golo Kante ya say wo ma ye bika
mo bia me pressure mo na mo see afa boka ye pressure
team na share team
bia no wa
share no jogging say ye o post ni
ye bot Tottenham wa
bo bi omo di offside ye pem ye no ayi bo ne dan na no so akama Sanchez ni crime for jogging in madam the team ni dey ye mo sign with good history when it comes to money Italian managers bibia de na kwa mo amokom ani makwa ye no ma o so top from there am beji
o there we
top from there
I was say Jekre be lose so
okay why coach one sre kaka
I'm laughing like
Maresca ya one sre the bia Maresca is serious adai
I say as flex
oh that be mo nyesa but fancy Ateta suade
well Fauzan HT Miller say we Chelsea don't want any Premier League title leave us alone I am title
Ateta suade denti na wasuade Arsenal for na team a tama na Papa Venga eye adwuma no yes Arsenal de ombobo efe omni winning mentality weak mentality ye ya na yahye wo mo but this time around we decided say by hook or crook say so we wini and am for di hu ko mo say nye you ha na Arsenal so we pass ya na yahye no Arsenal dey so we pass ya na yahye no but this time around no so what the foul center backs nim na enkwa obey crossing the yahye from the Sporting they scored through the middle they scored through not using set pieces means and almost share against Manchester United we saw them against Manchester United a team that they came to sit deep so much now for van room no see there be anyway they mean hame ho no set piece coach wo into our tactics or them yeah bobo na be free jab attack ni ahye and it worked perfectly for them into same maybe on yen can trust now for
me dey shock me say omo pass kitab possess more na a banner from their currency
of course
no my you and yes piece ni nko
yeah cross na ba mu a yeah ba attack apem dey ahye
na Ruben Amorim say so mo ye cross no mu so mine ye pa omo nim so mbe go
of course and we don't say
ball be ba
say ball na ba box ni mu a o dey ahwe omo attitude towards the ball obi a wa yard a wa perfect no so yard na dum sometimes so you relax no so do e den ya o dey he omo ye relax na omo attack ball no ndi enya omo they've decided to go away a bebo omo
bana Ateta tafena no
onimza atu ndi Ateta suade from some ya fast na home weak mentality and everything and now
omo bizarre no say is obi ase Amorim say corners na set piece na mo de channel zo omo de every aspect of the game you almost so much mukina
we need that I think we want to be very dangerous and very effective from every angle and every phase of pace and we work on all of that today. We could have scored from open play like we did against West Ham, against Sporting, so the team really has that belief that from every angle we have the mentality to just to threat the opponent
Munina ye pa ndize buy no mba be pemache ba nya bibiansi wo Manchester United eno adintia na me yesu sure se be show money say
story na time ntina maintimi no eno aman supporters ne be bo ofu say the bia omo bibi leaky especially yet to say bia team news e bia omo start and I say bia Sanka Mazraoui unse Mazraoui family on the right but no be deploy Mazraoui on the left like left central defender. I don't know ko bo mo see leaky. Na do mo kan say nipa no watch Chelsea no. Na team news leaky sa. Nipa no ba Man United. Chelsea team news a jai leaky. United na start leaky je wan.
Na say yakona fe no Messi Mount na. So video no an ho na ekọ. But when see Manchester United didn't make us say Amorim ye coach
Sompa Sports
C class Caribbean oni coaches na we as no C class na bi owo oni A oni B e bebe C interference and he's working with a squad coach is bebe 3 as a 4 in a building with no clear direction. Manchester United team ten hard be for you hu de ye hu de rough run de be fire de ye enti ye team a coaches bebre na build their bro many direction or many vision bia now no wa be he's working and the new system is on their head coach into be he will work and he will come good with Manchester United
because no me hu ni nsa no otimi ni
yes
edruba bi na Arsenal press pa how Manchester maneuver
of course
way out
into a good manager me wa be ko ye dia ma no but enye mprempren obesha ase abre ya bonus say ya nti no asubo no ba ko aba obenya wo Manchester mo side nya wo Liverpool mo side nti say na otiwa na wo ne self na nimfa ni tiri ho no on prepare so obeya time more because sa asubo no be ba more and in the Premier League into on share support mu nso but the fact is Manchester United team no so a team ni dia say o man no be 2-3 transfer windows to make a very good team of Manchester United because players may be Manchester United or Manchester United by chance. By performance, they don't need to be anywhere Manchester United. Because systems are coaches be here. No them players who find some of them, what the more find Chelsea is playing in their title contenders as we speak this year because of coach and the players being able to listen and execute Neoma Maresca Dema. I don't think ye can Caicedo asem, ye can Enzo Fernandez asem. These were players are under Pochettino. Among for GD is born promotion nimbo. But now look at them. Jackson and ye say no ye can't say an unused substitute. A player many of Chelsea fans didn't want to even hear his name. Ben what Tibench and ye can was him. A didn't a manager, a player's ability to absorb and execute the coach in that moment. But Manchester United players no much as I didn't know. Yes, and you need transfer windows to get Sana Manyamano. But this was something that Pep needed.
Mate.
And yeah, big deal. So here the prepare come. Now winning streak in Tuaswa. Then you see the title no unye runaway leader. Se Pep do what he na sa 10 winning streak na ba no do what no tie with toa. I just articulated do what he who do anymore.
Wo France mate me da say mamemra so na ayema metwa so emfemfro na wa say Massa, any goal is a goal, even penalty cry, a bit more as at the share. Okay, well, some passports, Papa, way, Olivia 2-1 a day in a message and a buy. So, can Chelsea beat Real Madrid now? Solomon Coutinho or no? And a delemu, munimulemu. I also say, let's just trust the process. We will be back soon. Still, Hala Madrid and a Monet Matt at this message and so a buy. We Chelsea in Casa Pudon Shake. But a shim kwandi ebedinijo where they play go claim our conference league. But if the EPO brings itself, we go claim and what they laughing in Mujibako Zwekao. Mamani qualitak empene funwe. One who say about to Tiaman your master sakakra and no many about say be I find there.
I mean I don't be I find.
Oh okay. Now dog so here. Oh okay. And then I'm say pa mo yenkoma yentiemu.
And I'll pay the Chiason Qualitac Dental Clinic. Every I have phone near phone in and some more fish a packet see oh festive season. Qualitac here, Chamo. Qualitac opaya so ya patasi, Kumasi patasi, Ketria Margiman building no. Or Behu Qualitac. I think so as I cropon. Bon Qualitac ewo honum, Dunqua no faint. Bon Qualitac ewo honum. And pay for a Qualitac Dental Clinic. Now near to Chinkomo, a number is so 0538 25 00 78 0538 25 00 78 Qualitac Dental dear did you maybe be a way as you obu hono ma anopai se wotie mi anasa wo hwe me na se osia tu a am tai kasa asem no pa because omo sia tu an so obi an sia tu bia e was low self esteem
okay
okoni pamukra kasa ya ne den because ne sia tu wanim ositu so wanim sesa we are abranti and abai e ugina ona so nso unsitu otimi bo abra by force and ti anopa yi se wotie mi na se wo hwe me na se osia tu eye animu achire baabi bia ba Qualitac Dental Clinic ni enyemawo yensim obi ho se mesi a na pampan ya bomanum e da baabi akosi no ntia obi ti kuratim kosi ne sen na se okosi Sompa Sports ni ti ade ni ti na okosi ye ni ti betima pai ne saa baby a call no Colitac de ye doctor onim adwuma na oye no ye de na fantitiem wonipa ho adagye wo ho adagye se adwuma na oye ama no unko emsanfa implications bi ama se me kwae me coffee en tie me ya me besi me se no problem bi ye no honom ne mo bi a wakotu ne sin ana wakosi ne sin so moja tu ne saa a sabi wa free yesrew anapa isa wutie me na so ho hwa me a Colitac se bra na be yes yembe so si na wo betu ana sa wo si na wo sa wo si a bra ne ensi ma ye si ama na ye se nyame de na ode ma wo na se nyo na abeka akire obi se masimisi obi ya hu se wo si wo se obi hono ma obi akosi ni to se tokura abeda ase okosi ni se no okasa ne se na ye free na num ye nsi ni ye misrew enkotu skangu anopai bra Colitac dental clinic na doctor ensi ma afren so de bia mba me kaka ho asem kaka ya ade a di nipa nya ha nipa enye yize obu ono ma ne kaka ewo ndodom bro nya yin so na abai o se ye renam na o kaka tetiwi ebese dan na akokọ e watimi awe ebewi agyaw nti anopai sa wutie mi na sa wo hwe mi na sa kaka ewo so unsin achi no obi de ba mo obi wa kwaba kaka no won so bo hu se kaka won so
usamum
sa pepe obi wa ne se no ba ko timi fita pa anasa ba ko very jello nti bia wo kwa wa adwen ma so enso na kaka adidi ewo won se na se kaka no beba ma wo ati pains no na kaka na didi pa kwa akire adidi pa kwa akire ansa na what pain no ina dam the earlier na obeba no ana intem na obeba no na ebeboa wo misrew ntina fie emfa local niema obi kura tim di kaka board petrol gina na num no de niema gina na num yesrew
ntina fie omo de niema gina wo num
enye yize ntina fie fa alom na niema engina wo num yesrew Black Colitac dental clinic ni yenye sa adwuma ne ma Colitac ya so ye o Kumasi patase ka chira margin building no udu movie house a very
enye yira kwan kra o kra de ugina patas main stretch no ko paparazzi wona abehu building e fefe o matwere ka chira management ne gu hu
sa pepe ntu bedu ani a signboard e wo honom ntu be hu Colitac e wo honom anopai doctor atna say ye chon bronyan ye sro Black Colitac dental clinic won so bi wo honom say anipa simasi kra no me hwe na de na me mfa nche no bronyan me hwe na wo ntade ye sro utimi de ne ba Colitac dental be buku free teeth cleaning and teeth whitening mano obetimi manaba and no by owa be cleaning enum and also owa be whitening ti e Colitac ya so yesro frey se a na je nchiremu bia na your bookings bia anopai e wo number yi so 0538 25 00 78 0545 90 68 afen so HS actually halitosis edi ni penya sabi anum kankan sa wa nipa wonum sabi pampan wonum a wasa wote
that's right
obu honum a oye din 20 minutes o kasa yintimenti na hanom
wow
pampan wonanum obey nipa na ye koyachi pampan wonum pampan so niam bebre na deba obu honum a na wonsi achi no yellow bi hihase wa fa ahwe na ahwe wonim a wuhu etima pampan ebe wonum sabi obi won so peta tobacco pa etima pampan ebe wonum obi won so a anajo wada onjuje nese yesrew anajo bada wodi di awie ye bibia awie no wo se wotim twetwe won se na aduana na wodi ye no ni na nkanka na hihye wonum na etimi efiri honom but ni na se nnuane na ugya no wonum ni na ma pampan timi ba wonum anopai Colitac dental clinic eba pampan si ye tu pampan e free nipa num dia ye number 1
okay
dental clinic bien honom a o metime twa ye osade ne ho nti say odofu bi ana say obi ana wa ankasa na pampan wonum a anopai Black Colitac dental clinic ni enyama wonsi achi yellow na ewo honom ne nkanka ni na no wo ba ye ba hohuru no na free honom wo kasa wa ultimu say yes wa gain no confident wa ultimu say yes baby a wo kɔ no like usipi usita na nya fe na okasa na don se keta kata wa no okasa bu okasa na ade white bi kura betare na no I say yesro ni na nya fe e bia wo ye adwuma wo nipam okasa wo nipam na sa ne ma e kwaso wo wanumi anya fe anopa ibra quality dental clinic na doctor enwuhuru wanum baby bi onchi wo se no ochi ama kama ama wa okura kwa hu se ye wo se no yenye teeth whitening ye honum ye teeth whitening in dental clinic obeko 10 times na on se na nya white quality there oba ba ko mienu miensa onsi no be fita doctor no ni madwuma no oti adwuma na o ye na se nti oba de esese o ye ma no ne na o ye ma onsi ne timi ya white e de ma ama wa ankasa wani ji ohun nti yase frey anopai e wo number is 0538 25 00 78 and that's 0545 90
68 okay yeah na fe inwie
one thing ya na kofo bebre ehu ne se halitosis no yetimi nyam cause bebre almost say oh me call dental clinic say no me kutwe ska kese enso so me buy no pampan na anko de qualitac ya de ho ne say qualitac ko ba ye thorough examination ye could deep kakra because ye ka halitosis na ehu ne sa no enema bebre na de halitosis ne ba infection throat infection timi de ba ulcer timi de ba because of H pylori no etimi de ba oh sinus problem so etimi de halitosis ba
go no aye wonum
I say enema bebre dry mouth timi de halitosis ba it is a baby wo ha akwa na no examination ni nshara anye papa bia na o maye e bia clinic bia ma wo obekọ na store pampan da so because that was not the source nye adekodi e de ba no ehu adwuma no moye tuberculitaka ye thorough examination ye ko so deep ni ye hu the main source no ni ye source na free honom na say omo musi no bebre perception say usi a e de pampan eba wonum enye no kore ejina baby obisi no because esisie no say when sini na se tokro e kakra bi kwa bedasie na into so timi fa honom a ene timi de pampan ba wonum no ti aduane nya kwan ko hyehye honom ti we time wo say pampan a hyase ba wonum ti e wo bebre tinim say oh mikosi misi a pampan wo manum na pampan beba manum ti na omutifie na ese no e wo honom one thing is say usi tu na wensi a e the stress e ba de aka no so Yankopon wa share amu ese no bia odwumadi e wo say di se ba ko efi honom a na afi de aka na ebre ana se ebi ni honom a omo honom se na omo shift ko sa atokrum ho to bo hu yes obi na ase na body se na buagum ase na no buagum e yes na eni honom no ti de aka na shift na kase na e wo senke so sinim no na e ko for me receding kakra eti quality sit to me kabra and tana ho mane nkoduru akiri to wa so a wo ha hu se wo se no e wo so no hwembo so unya yare bia unya accident bia na wo se no wo so no to me kabra quality
Sompa
the friend calculus no plaque na with time no absorb nutrients and than calculus na den fin amount foot me dey yiwa yi free honum no most will be the pan no dey yi free on debi say fin ko show sene ka sene ntema na ma wo sene wo so ti quality taxi to America bra maintenance na fi bra bronya yi so de bra na yen kepu onum clean e wo so sen eye den no watimi di arenam kama ti echa kwan de nya yira kwan oba patasia block house catch management building I adjacent Vegas no wa circle upon your government road ana dunko ono fun no your NIB road ha tibetima free 0538 25 00 78 0538 25 00 78 ana 0545 90 68 88 that's
wo yenso yeda say Qualitac dental clinic penifo na oti omo enka no patase nya yira kwankra ka chire amajiman building na ye ko break enso abeba ye beba na ya ba beto aso return refugee came no e wa ha ye nkroma quick na ye meto aso
worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet safer.
Sompa FM.
Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet saver. Win, even if your bet misses.
Bossy Gringo Beaters Carnival. Gringo! Kumasi, Yamamu Amrado, King Paluta, and Stone Ball. New one in here. Bossy Gringo Beaters. 24 December. Kumasi Heroes Pack. Chilenina. We'll take it to 50 Ghana cities. Bossy Gringo Beaters Carnival. Gringo! We don't give a fuck with somebody.
Mama kwa baba gentleman dental clinic yeduma bia yedi ane say yebesiesie wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ate anase wosen animonyam so afa ntuma pa efi wo fix one no anase aye tafre no permanent one no eno susu yesi a untimi entu bi eno ene efe no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afi yesan eye cleaning services oba ye profession mu na ye fe scaling and polishing se ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esen mu se bi okasa etimi mapampan ene ade ebagu na no oba gentleman dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho gentleman dental clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen ho na wodru enkran so a ye wo nungwa na atomic down do mekwa be nya runabout no so ho na wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ho ye ni OGN bank na wo the same premises na kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan so ho anase opposite AY Ahmed na wodru Kumasi Abrepo Junction total filling station ho traffic light na anihwe G runabout no free total filling station na yabron sign na edi ho ye adwuma free eda joada popem eda memeda itimi afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
if I shop na me shade o bag bra ade enen so biem what time me share me see ba queen why me say bra said the time about me sha esia gimi ni me fie fo enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye me dey do this o fa ni nyina bra se me ka se me di time about me sha ho dance ya riase nyina ebe te me nka enti se malaria wadra ni time about me sha enya nu ko die na nu mato a wontumi eni die no wadra ni time about me sha edre enya ma oba wa fa afuro die wo ma akoda no fo enya akoda woni mfie dumienu ansa na obeto time about me sha edre bi no hwese wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo atride malaria bi ansa ayo se time ye TIME time about me sha afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no ebetua ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop to do na mu FDA agi edwadue nkratoi ato kese wiase mu die ejuma ba ku ntimi mwa wo enti prebi bi sua ka ho fagidie eni akukuduro ubetimi ajama na brosumpo ko RTM training center na one for 3 weeks per and show send ye tree excavator and also your operative forklift ye wia ye be some more certificate di aka ho na so wo pese after training no so wo to kwa aman bi so te sa Canada, Hungary, Romania, Czech Republic akoye adwuma wo ho so a ye wo adwuma wo
ebi a hwe free bia se wonya bre na wo hwe ye RTM training center adwumaku a ye boawo e ma onsa na adwuma tetew se de be ya obetimi di abobra akowanim se wo de bobra Ghana ha na se wo di tuku akwa amanane RTM training center betimi aboa e wasa kwan ne so se wo pese osua forklift wo pese osua excavator wo pese osua wheelloader ana se backhoe ana pese osua plumbing na ye di britie bi be boa amwo atimi ahunu na watimi so de akwa akobobra e wo ba bia pese wo de kobobra bia RTM training center a institution
Abusaka kraka bi hanu me jatom na rewu sebe wo me se abofra keto wanya 2 years akada ba kum nti African Spider-Man na me abofra keto yi mo na nipa ho hia dede bi koso no ti kame ho ne ko hede wo bia yenya ya expectation ka African Spider-Man ba be sebo abofra yi ba preocupe ne hu African Jack wo ba be sebo abofra na wo secret kura no anything
Imboost herbal mixture and only me secret.
Na dia na ye.
Na me yetua na ma nkeka e wo fam. Ana police mi di wa dan say me say menye na me nso nhwe. Na me so we no a booster immune system. Ama say me train na me ntebre. Mitimi di kama. Ama nkeka wo dum so ekoso.
Me kura so me ta yale ama my latitude me nya ba ko.
Enye je na koso we.
Hey, Spider-Man, what are you
Ubenya Imbu's herbal mixture, our pharmacy, and answer herbal shops. A pin for any Colombian if you do enum. FDA adjudicating catry at
So wallpapers, papa, OP wallpapers, and American for mount. So wallpapers at their decorative offices. So fee and sorry, say ye perhaps a hodo. Baby Bia wallpaper, dear do Juma Biano. OP wallpapers, Afro. Yama wallpapers, a macho blind curtains. A band of bedside lamps and so on. OP, Elmar types, or mark shapes. Colors out doing na Ubenya Biato, Ewana Sweo. Say open LED backlight, at the above flash screen a chair, and also OP, Ebemobi. So open selfie ring lights, Ado phone bishim, a OP wallpapers, and Ebema selfie ring lights. OP, Ewo Kumasia Doom, first floor, Nana Kwesiajman building, Tafo, GNTC building, first floor, and a chronom, or barrier, on the market and Edian share. So open wholesale, and answer retail, any OP, any in South. For OP, our 0540-353750.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and your what dropa, a ya draw. Yadro say, mani pedian kwamwano enya hoden na akwatia yare and train yare and san wakwakoto fire wadro na nomno abribia Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebedwaso one more and at the time HH Heba Mr. Edia bedwaso akra wenyan mfisia dumienu anumbi wo pinfo ane oba wo makra nufo enso anumbi time HH Heba Mr. Wo benya bi over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Ejadro say FDA Ejadien Kratwe Atum.
I'm saying that Ghana must not introduce free SHS on the whimsical promise of a desperate politician. Many mistakes have been made by countries in Africa already with free SHS.
Akufado, minya udeni, uyebwe. Baumia, minya udeni, uyebwe.
Hey, Mami Jemfwa, Nedena Mawani Aji we say.
Minya, Samekaya dear free SHS, I am a meme mawahu. Mami Hunia Minyampo, a Sandy and another Danko Akufado, and Dr. Baumia, Ayenti. So Kaya Bra, Mikuna no Shayena a free muno.
Annie, Mikaipa,
Nani Dasuni Nasa. Somebody mammy and selling in Nabakosku. Ecosi send another Danko Akufado, and Dr. Baumia, at the free SHS a buy. Cecilia, mammy and sa, coffee, SC, and Kojo, and na Cosco, Cassia, Cassiani. Minya, no one in the Yamamoka. Almost a mobile, more than such a bemo, a bimoso mobile mobile, a bimoso mobile, Bama, for any be at school fees in be. Hey, almost some of your margin be a mo. It is just a wine in here. No one can free. I'll pay some ya, any binu, a sinchain. No more side on connection man, and the protocol in semi. A safe free SHS for pay I am by koyo. And nothing I was here by a woman in be a say. You have free SHS home by. Na ya no man bamba say at the papa. Nanado any Dr. Baumia at their brain you.
And your free SHS for Yana Mamma and go for senior possible.
Nanso say dear, it is possible. Afiwe, yet so about the above free SHS home buying. So Dr. Baumia, #1 on the ballot.
Na ede na ya obeyi a oda former son ya funu emunumuni.
Oh Mr. Entry also ya reya titi be ben fie pi nanso ne yam nyo no da se me chew no ahodo amato a me hunu hwe a ebe ya nwanwa
Ninyi ni se what ulcer tamfo hexa capsules any hexa mixture ya no mbom kotia ulcer no bia ma no anom anka ne ho ato no dadaada ulcer dro de eno any hexa capsules any hexa mixture
akom ni nchiremu
ulcer ye kura eto ye funu ene ensunumu etuma wo ye funu ekekawa wo gire wo ho a enyi ulcer etumi ema wo ye cheko ebra wadidi awie so how eye ulcer de a compare hexa capsules any hexa mixture nanum bom na ho ebeto
pedudura to a ko okanshi drug lane kumasi dani herbal takradi AA Mensa anafre 02038228555 apefo abatan ya woma won mofra no fo ene mofra woni mfie dumienu enka ho Haxa capsules ene ne mixture
ulcer tamfo ede age edwade ntwatwe atom
Ashafo ye mama kwaba ede aba Alaska Star Enterprise Alaska de said de munimo no ono na de wallpapers ene what the different kinds of eniema abepom e wona so ye Christmas enema yɛde siesie dem any occasion bia ade bia wo pasiesie wo dem bia se bi te say blind curtains, center mats, sofa covers, material curtains, comforters, any nneɛma bia flowers ahodoɔ, wall clocks a yɛde siesie dem pe bia Bralaska Star Enterprise yɛwɔ Kumasi adum Mrs. Anoche Plaza building eno na ye first floor me pacho udru enkran so a ye wo TikTok link opposite Circle Mall Okanshi NS Chemist building nim Alaska Star Enterprise your number 1 shopping center.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet saver.
Well, yabafie na yababeto aso edi efrifie. Mame aye stories na quick na fe yankwem nemo before. TM services away a training center na empanefo se momayi na otwem yensa de esi wo eba be ma training mo amobese musua se de esi operate aye forklift and also be so sua se de esi twi excavator fe aye backhoe and a plumbing adwuma ni nyina no se obese onso do ho hyew na osua aye plumbing works na eno na otwensia ana omode chiro na fe wonso wo plumbing adwuma no na form no aye 100 Ghana cedis 100 Ghana cedis ojo registration form na chese wanya free reflective vest bako asoso ni asama helmet bako so account ni nyina no aye de omode man afo wonso also timi ye safe chese ye chiro enti sane omo ni nyina no nsa be kanamom shanon so am se abeko so awoso am macro junction obeso ginchemu ni ya number no aye 0534045169 and then number be friend na omonso edwa from na fi womonso actual no man so kama one personal so wo pebi and blind curtains abenya designs we benya colors abe match ama wo deco enso abe fefe na wo paper enfe di colors no enso ampopo de from down one self from one ya op ese men ka job say bomori enso abe ba gibi enso de friend nchen mo be so mutubi ekoton no wo ba package unikuma se kra na wonsa ebe ka product no wama TV backlight, self ring light, blind curtains, afi we be now center carpets and air diffusers. What a best spread and I call them and I say more running hotel ne guest house no mo pebi so a do be am be some to be an op say wa fa sane man nyina bi enso ediaba adum pz and no nana kwesi agman build na mo na sabeka no and a chronom barrier on the market edi enum share 0540353750 OP abajo so na make out say imbusta ba me sha no police ni adro wo call aye pharmaceutical shop and answer herbal shop house super police ni adro ni bi na droi na bebo be support immune system ama ya debia be sanke no ebe dunya ya debia be sanke ju ni peduabo so bia no eno so ebe ase ebe tu anase be dwane esanse police ni adro tu aye malaria no ho na mre wo so no pass ho aye mre wuntimi nsore enko nyuma so aso ato ba ha ni nyina no wadro no aye police ni adro imbust heba mixture eno ene ye kanfo enso edema emanum emema enso enum ana imbust pharmacy no ehon aye wholesale enko a so obeso tu abibidro obeso tu abrofudro cheso tu ndudrom ene akogu shop ne mu no obekọ aye imbust pharmacy ewo fenso aye kwan so kodie eho ana mo ye adwuma 0246 208496 na just a imbust herba mesha na say imbust pharmacy empire for no and so angel so na yemra stories this way dikamame so folk ore fan say Aziz Haruna Futa na bi atwam na so dimuntintima ye pan so our supporters no mom Haruna Futa so say sports minister and some catch GF for say woman saki coach Otuado the moment say Oman Fanya Juma minim Aziz Haruna Futa de no say ready am kwani nti oso no de ma obi mfa so bo enkonko sports ministries and say ministry nya hwe Aziz yentie no
taxpayers' money. On that, no, we cannot sack Ottawa. Government cannot sack Ottawa. What government will do is to advise the FA, and the minister has done that. The minister has done that. You see, there's a lot of politics happening in the Black Stars management team, and even the technical team. We know what is happening. Even this last match, we lose you a 2-1. When you say a losing match, no, some of the handlers, our handler team, no, you cry, team, you say, say, and you be able to aba, yes, we are buying that.
Yes, and no reference since our foot and out is your Danish and so my for and so I no pay I was shown so I fee inter school Jumadian bass and our final game no and so about so Sims and who cares and matches who cares and so after a year 14 years in the announcement after so many years now Omuntimenje and our 2-2 and a full time penalties no and who cares it winning by 3 goals to 2. Emma Sims and me amfa. Now referee no di game no ono yedi kan wasam our 14 years. Na ono di a final game na your friend Benedict Ajay. Benedict Ajay one di final game area ni or say ni role model and so ayan wine. When one idol yentie Benedict Ajay.
I said I take it from my senior Daniel I learned his position, officiating, his body languages, verbal questions. I learned it from him. That is why I was always good in the field of play.
Nessa Osuya aya Daniel Lai ref ono ana Osuya na akwadai enso edene nsemetu dwo bodjuma pa no enso eno no Sims e coach no aya Sandra Boachi 2 seasons ago oje na mom enedi ankoye after say Sandra eluzi aya game ediama okes eno e wo post match ono so ene yan central for no edi nkomo
myself because when I started people didn't believe in me. You know, here in Ghana, mostly when a woman takes such sport, it becomes difficult coming up. But I thank my daddy and then my family for pushing me hard, getting me to this far. In fact, I thank the Almighty God and then my family. They helped me up. You can see all my family members are around. They pushed me, even when I was playing, they were supporting. And then, as I'm coaching now, they are still supporting me.
Oh, and no, I am some Sandra and so edit to drive about so you know, make out say Jabirua Bank I say no the cash collection and so I'm a car or Mujumediano Sikasem and so at the Jabirua Bank I want to be a savings account or current accounts that in T and also bet me a BA I'm a money transfer and a first deposit mom of some motor shares no almost say mobet me and so abba a BM say oh yeah wedding and I simple sorry mobile for the mobile so mobile sika na mama no omo beba no ma baba ne simple abra sika na ebi mfa ba bia branches edoso Roman Hill afa from so adeshman sepe timpom branches ne ye mo Dwaben Rural Bank 0271409340 ana Gringo Carnival ebeba so nyame yarma 24th of this month 24th December and a Gringo aye carnival no ebas obuase Gringo Bitters Carnival ni na Heroes Park and you men on so yawo Amrado Ken Paluta and a Stone Boy womo ene ba take it no aye 50 Ghana cedis who drew wire from front desk and I say share from Poku Trading Supermarket Restaurant and a Price Restaurant ono okwa benya bi enso atop enso a oba dial short code aye star 714 star 003 star 8 hash no follow prompt now audio to 24th December obeshia aye squad ni no enso ewo ho na mami okes e coach afano George Amuakon na George Amuakon so ene J na bedi onie no okes entimi njibi George after so no so J aye inter school adiamo okes no ono so e kasa enra after the game
to meet the trophy. As I said, these 60 years, some of them by that time were in the Amade school. So the history of the school, how serious the school approached this game, has done the magic. I feel very, very excited, and all goes to the Almighty God. because from the first day I had my appointment letter to teach or to coach the school, I know this bloom will come. Time that I received the appointment, I talked to God that if it is me to win the game, it should let it happen.
Next 16 years any omu ntimi fa bi no when an appointment and ka che nyankopon say eye ne pedia e wo say eye ho nti aye ho adiama na achese na ni adie pa say omo call trophy drought ene ono aba ba je ade ama okes school ebiem eye MVP player of the tournament Ebenezer Do ebo Edema Sims na Humado after some we no yentie ensema player of the tournament and so Edituja.
I'm very sure I deserve it because through hard working, discipline, and respect leads me here. So what I have to say is I deserve it, and I'm very proud of myself and all my coaches, especially Coach Sandra. I really appreciate his training and so sure I'm very proud of myself.
Yes, indeed, and no, and so, and no. Yemen after Yemana, Yemetua so, and so, and from Fiona. Ralph, who watch it?
Yeah,
Nabibia find
it. Boko.
Minimum just what do you check out? Sompa sports. Aha. Tina Mammy Bizarre. Now, Kadane, 14-year-old boy.
Yeah, boy, no, I started, we player.
Obo ankasanso
olimbo onsobo pa na osade referee na ka ho nti yete na yesi ebe monitor no nti me one of our boys a finish on Paul and I'm going to say okay ono bo mama ne na meka say on fan mra stadium nti one day na training on ba omo yetu ba konso asanteman mo so ko akwasanteman ono de omo ba no me na we say yen hwe omo yi nti if you say the musi na ma say we no enko medal na ba ko no enko lines
okay
just pass a year akura share then we bia nti ye share say ye polish wo mo lo am who omo invite under 15 be on board no inansen ya wo interregionals under 15 no omo invite wo mo nti referees no mo ko no ono ne guy na owa asantema onso wo form 2 na omo de ko represent the region no lo am who on the kodi fana match no nti owie no na hu se o se eboa no ema okonanim the so far baby a be duru de elim se nyankopon adaroma say the osi ehwe eye ne nema ne de there is an opportunity for him and then we don't have to leave him nti eye adwen se e be boa no ase de be ya obeye ye mu e bae no yenso nyankofo ma omo boa ye ena yenso betum be duru be e duru nti se ono no time na aba nti okwa bia wo so e fa so bia no sa nkola na e ba nko e bia okwa bia fa so bia e fa so bia na ya ma aba top no we do it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, overall, so tournament in the course.
Overall, I can say tournament with this year tournament I say we no want to officiate in Assembia. We until officiating Assembia. Say and I CSC. We say omofana match. Okay, for second goal now. Omo share na. Na since for no say offside. But lo am who now on na life. Nti unya the na hwe out say any offside. We so hwe okay as 2 goals no mo share nyina the same na first one no mo ye move na no mo botum na obi this speed go e na we so the same thing. Nti I always say offside no ye judge ne tama enipa no ne opponent ball no nye tama oje ball no. Nti ano na ya say tell me wa we ball no onye but obeje ball no na abeka so no nko an so people start nye no ye dey adwuma at the time na ni player no ball no no or even no. So far, this tournament we had been one of the best tournament so far. Because man to complain beer, and then I also thank the P masters, as a players, generally they comported themselves 100%. Like I always say, but generally, we say players are comported more. And then there are you will have players who have we say. I'm afraid say there are some players we will premier on Bobio. There's a player in a nation or any amount for no two people could be in short mind. Okay. Never consume nation. Nti ena sa boy ya o seems or best player. You say an opportunity should be open for that boy.
Wow.
That boy is very good.
Wow.
Because me need him come baby. I say obobo. No, if you say down, you can wait me. I make it up. There are a lot of players.
Scouts are mama.
Scout by. There were a lot of people over there. Baby by. Baby by. I Ashanti region games. No, me time name di referee ni abetu Sambre nyina. One of the best in the country.
Yes.
They do say you were born inter schools. People from other regions. People from other regions. But what's a region be but Ashanti region there no yet. I don't know. I mean, who's the Kano?
Scouts from US.
Yes. In Team Colano, so I could say, that time they do on now, me SL, minimum dear, or me. There are some players who say, okay, for more boy or channel 2. So by 17. Okay, Ayamga. And I Sakafia boy no shit number 10. The best player. The semi-final, my third place match.
Okay.
Also, yeah, under 17 player.
Wow.
Now you see, Omunya baller. Yeah, Omunya ball na Omu. Yeah. It me on the name then say boy na odi match no. You meet. Inti anoni ayi me happy for.
When the story.
I am Ghana there.
Yeah. So, ne yawo na ne papa wui. Yeah, when Salah 2008. So immediately after he was born, indeed, a week ran papa wui. So omo relocate back kumase. Omo ba ha so anche na ne mama wui. Nti oye omo kan say Ewisia exactly. So kakra he was a fanboy. Oye adwuma wo mfuom. Eza nkwala na omo ye adwuma mfuom ha. Ne omo picking up. So football ne eyi ne pie. So I know more than I didn't copy him under 17 now, but there is one thing about him. That he kept on mentioning God. Also, no one is Nebusian, one a Joseph for Webusian. And I do obey to media born Nebusian, yes, born and Nanyankopa, a beer quina, Sikaba.
Division 2.
Yeah.
No, crash. Feature stars.
Yeah, Kahase Fano. But now issues back home. So, he's a boy from a very difficult background. But with me, I that the storm nana kakra I am Gadia Babedru.
Mate, referee
by my style of a tournament. Wambo Bonibi.
Sade.
Yes. Benedict AJ, the referee. On a star of a tournament.
Okay. Competition was signing Bob.
Yeah. Send right point ya no question or question is quite. And I know what question was quite on person will be able to know.
Sure. Wow. Well, my Institute of Expert Travel and Tom Pennyful and your penny na BBI okay there.
Already I do more fancy. BBI okay.
I say office and so a diani there.
With the office and there. BBI. Mama chia Sompa adwuma for.
That's right.
Afefo ne atifo nyina. Yasan bi share bi. Aka just 2 days spare. Na yakoto aba. The year catch Ghana for ina ne say obia enye basabasa oto aba wi a waba fie party oba nwini bia na ye nyina de ani gie ahia party no akwantu e kan ho asem nyina no yakopa bibi na yabedi na wokọ na baba na efi aba na mfaso bia ni so ti the year kan ne say yehia asundwie na ene so a Institute of Expert Travel and Tour yaba yi de na akwantu ho nhyehyɛ na ye ba beka ho asem fancy na ye no de da bia kan Institute of Expert Travel and Tour de ye three call mandate eno na ehia ye da bia meka ho asem se ye yaso ye ho no ye nye visa se wo so ba ye nye visa ma da bi but ade a ye ne se ye boaw na wa kwampa be fa so a ubenya nkrata no ehun de na ye den ye nti ye ma advice travel advice ebi obe se wo country ebi a wo Canada wo frɛ ya ana ba your officer ye be kyerɛ ehun advice enhyehyɛ pa ai ebe boaw se bia wo koye adwuma bia na ya boaw ehun hyehyɛ ena de to so mienu so a ye ene se ye organize documents because usu tukanya na uni visa obede na tukanya na passport uni passport uni ebi kra CV police report ene sa ne mena nti eno no oba ye kyerɛ ehun hyehyɛ sa documentation nyina no na ya boaw na bibia koyi ena de last one yesan eye ne say sa visa application process no so ye boa obi o ha countries bi o ha say oh ye visa na ebi o ha ye online ebi kura wonko interview ebi so o ha ubeko interview based on country apesa wo ye dan okọ to ba ya so ya sa ade miensa we that 3 core mandate we see na ye no ya so ye ansana ubetu kwan a wa ye dan watu kwan nti atiefo no emfrema memfa location ne number na entu dwana ma san ato aso oba Kumasi a ye Sufulai udu Sufulai a wokọ Soja Barracks second gate opposite wa ana say ye ben Assemblies of God na ye sa Soja Barracks second gate ho na ehwa na ye wo e na wokọ Accra so a ye Nungwa Big Junction near Nungwa police station ehwa na ye den ye wo na ye numbers no memfa entu edwa ye numbers no eye 053 98 58 766 and I say 050 46 94 209 I'm in for last one 053 98 99 915 enti omofre numbers we ya jadwuma for your receptionists secretaries managers ho ba ye be fa kwampa so na ya boa ye de bia ka say ye de nokre na edi dwuma because sikape na form so we betiti no more remu na wanya kakra say okobo ne bra ba bi na obeye enti wo ba enti na ye chiro sa anhye ni nyina ansa na ya ye o documentation aye dan ama na sisi no ndwuma na ye no say ye ho no ye work permit visa no say bia o per visa o kwa ubetimi e de aye dan aye adwuma eno no ho e na ye study visa ye nuan mo mpese o moku school eno so o pese o ku school a ye countries bi o ha ye ehon hyehye wo fra eno so e wo ho e na ye business visa obi o ha no pese o ye business e wa mo no ne eno so ba eno hyehye ye dan e wo ha eno so ye ehon adwuma e na tourist visit visa so ye obi call as a tourist eno so ye e na marriage visa eno so account ho hyehye nti ebia ne hyehye eno nti na ye ka say omo mfre ye numbers no omo frɛ ye numbers na ehun hyehyɛ nyina ye bɛ dan ye bɛka akyerɛ mo na countries bi last year me bɛka Serbia ba Serbia ya close for now but offer ebia ansan my but sa countries say Saudi Arabia fancy say boy dey mo amun say Saudi Arabia dey say dey ɛhɔ ɛyɛ country bi a say ɛkɔ so pa say akasifo ni nyina Boston nyina hɔ na ye
amon radio ni bi me any TV no
ɛhɔ dey na ɛhɔ no say ɛhɔ ay hot cake pa ye the nurses eko na nurses
kan che agency ni say omunya ha no mun bi radio ni TV ni bi ho
ye be ka che mo ye agency na ono ye no me din sa wo so because they some pamoko ba bia anti e ho so mo ye dan mu du ho enti eno dey say ye nurses for nko a e na ye de sa akwanya no ye dan mom say wo ye nurse na say unni pin kra won qualify obi a wa wie nurse a ukra pin kwana ye ya dan amom akatua na ye papa oko ehọ na 2 years contract no 1 year bia no holiday leave obit me abagana asan ayedan akọ back ti sika no kwa minimum almost for the bagana 20,000 nti se we are no pese okọ Canada
anu ne
bosome e bia na onya se sika no ti ala na wonko ehọ no for just 2 years no benya sika kakra odi akọ ani se won nti ehọ no as compared to Ghana they far better ena ehon so restrictions ne saa ne ma no sise na emu ago emu da ho pa
mo ye world cup ni we de ne mo ye kama
ehwa kama pa
ana isin so asa ho na akọ mo
ho no akọ ena last week na ye pe 7 people so akọ kata na nyame ncha de ne ye ka che mo say omo ba ya so ni na ye ka say under 1 month but within 7 days e bi cry 4 days na obi avisa ba tena na ka me ka say enne no na me say ka yi project omo ya omo de na ayedan but unfortunately no omo names no na we say na nka me delete names no man delete nti na mama yam project na say bia me ba e be project na obi ahu say de ye ka no enye fake nipa 7 ni nyina na last week ye mom omo de ayedan aba and another 5 so aba this week no fruit vegetables eno de ye pe omo a de omo ya ne so omo cost supply ye ma oka ana driver account nti no de momo ya ne say mo supply vegetables to stores ɛwɔ kata ɛhɔ no nti ɛno nso akatua no ɛnyɛ bad ɛna we a yɛka nyinaa so process na yɛ kakra bi o ɛnyɛ sika kɛseɛ bi na wode yɛ dan ɛyɛ nti na yɛ sɛ ɔmo mfrɛ yɛ numbers na ɛba ntɛm so we interview asɛm bi anyɛ dan ɛnimu nti ɛno nso so ɛwɔ hɔ a yɛyɛ ɛna uyi ɛno no efiri hɔ so a Croatia de sei ɛwɔ hɔ a yɛyɛ Hungary Turkey sei so sika no ɛyɛ papa ɛna Mexico de ɛno so nti amanfo ntutu mrinka na ɔmo nyɛ den ɔmo mra yaso ɛ na ɔmo ba nhye papa ɛna yɛde bɛ mɔ ɔmo ɛna Nesto supermarket ɛno so last ayi me bɛka ho asɛm yenya nkrusu amanfo gu so pa ɛno so akatua no ɛyɛ papa Dubai hɔ no ɛno no range from 10,000 and then above ɛno so ɛyɛ pa ɛyɛ ɛna yɛ hɔ no ba yɛ hɔ na irrespective of qualification bia akwantuo de obi kura hɔ a ɔnkɔ school dan so watimi ayɛ dan atu kwan enti based on one kasa unim dia o se bia o ye plumber o ye mason o ye teacher ni che se adwuma bia o ye bia no ye wo ehon hyehye ya country apese o ko bia no ye beboa o e na akwantu so da bia ye ka o tu kwan a o se o hwe se ba bia wo kɔ no e ho beboa wa me ka ko se sa Libya akwantu no ye nuama ma obi ye no me ka kyerɛ mo se Libya no de se de ehɔ nye kra mati sɛ ɔmo sɛ ayi kra no ɔmo o register ayi no airline no ɛwɔ ɔmo pɛ sɛ Ghana fo no pɛ sɛ ɔmo ba I think the last month ebinom yɛ dan ɛbae yɛde ebinom bae kɔ ɛhɔ asɛe ti sɛ kwan na rex a wobɛfa mu na da nanka wonyɛ dan ɔmfa nkɔ ɛha kakra wetumi akɔ w'anim nti yɛtu ɔmo fo sɛ ma ɔmo nyɛ dan ɔmo ntena fie ɔmo mfrɛ yɛ numbers no ma me minti number no so bi because ehia pa. Your number is 053 98 58 766
050 46
94 209
209
and the last one is 053 98 99 915 enti ena ye kan say omo mfra na other countries na ma mo bonu nyina no mo fra ye be kan ehun hihye nyina a kire Accra ena Kumasi mesi Kumasi ye wo Suggest Barracks baby a Suja for no e wo na Sufulai ho na second gate near Assemblies of God ena wokọ Accra so a yo Nungwa Brigade Junction near Nungwa Police Station e ho na e wo nti omo emfra ye numbers na ye be hwe omo kama
Institute of Expert Travel and Tour. Ana ye no mo ahwie nti mo mfrɛ na mo nkɔ na nkomo bi aka bia mo ne mpanifo no enso nkɔwie me ba fa me course no ne mom Alaska Star Enterprise Alaska so ebema wallpapers and the blind curtains so say yen kan chose or ma quality on ton ade bi akeke enso emma wo pe modern TV stand and the TV backlight wo pe best spread ni bi ato wo pe best side lamps aye sofa covers afei wo hia decorative watches and as a plastic wardrobes but money answer on Alaska so ebeka artificial grass and in your dear deco be an Alaska and so MOB ato adum Kumasi Mrs. Anoche Plaza or and afi encrin so a tiptoe lane and I say tudu one MTT the office no edi and share and also be for Alaska 0200 2810 80 Alaska and so abejo so Kulun Ghana Limited one day China for nu pano and abedja so bomodin so be pebi and so atoy wadra ye friend Araba bazen tablet a medro emano muhia bi esan say ebema mo jade frisane kama oba woni atenka e won pem obetenka na amane man so aye fine ama menstrual pains and cramps ebeko afi bema wadra Mr. Q and aye hyunchu capsules mento ba kunya ba ko ebeboa ama wabo prostate and by now for sexually why now so and as why Berman so ewon pem 0244 275429 0244 275429 Bafu Polo yes friend no more pair I am suit pam ama open kaftan so pam and a lapel tops and down or a Bafu Polo e de beju ama wa ho friend and so abakama afei what the African print and a pam Italiano baby abeso could be out to me share a Bafu Polo dnibi and so a pam run neck v-necks or some pam a polo shirt at the mouth friend I was 0249 60 0789 Oya Juma Henema Koko Ben off Santa so Boise Equano. So Yafa Corsway 0551-931-931 0548-931-931. Hello, caller. Hello.
And good morning.
Open it, Josie.
Yeah, the great friendship that
okay.
And the person Mama Basso, and Ross to be a new papa. So then, Ricardo Valazan Kaya, Marcos Cate, corner MC. But and Ross to go by the Kamuki to me. About package about 5 defenders. Among Margins on the Zimbabwe, Anya Bonija show. Yamu Margins on the pet draw. And so I'm by Angosiaga. First, I'm going to make the scarf and the drum with the asthma. Funny, you are good to me. You are like going.
Mate, here I say from Brannan. Hello, caller.
Yes, sir.
Opening it you.
I've had to read Robert. I'm a fee, which you pass me, I'm boss. I put at the tune on a good safety. Hey, Buddy, when you be said anybody, I don't
there will be uncles will be a jilly, yes. There be.
It's a man you there. Hey, find a girl of a man you. And can you draw the Quebec? The man you don't want to go say tune. No fancy to me. The Tim Crown, what I don't want to grab a moment is go. Hey, I have to go. Fancy a bumper, if you have fine.
Hello, caller. Yes, I Josie at you. Matiana ready know what you want to cram me it's you.
Okay. The pastor the board church is father so right now let's add that okay to make me a deal because after 15 years and you be back. I this is not the number. Whether players which is put to drag with care number 8, could lose a younger and keep another do so in the top score. And I don't want to ask you.
Okay, yeah, say Obaso. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, everybody. Thomas.
Tommy, it's you.
I told you what keep up as a morning.
Okay. Hello. Good morning, sir. You're from Soga, friend. Me about your position. Who you need to Kawadaroma? Okay.
Hello.
After yet you say. Too bad. A difficult, mama. Whoa, hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Simo, Aji.
Someone it's you.
Anaboya Adichu, the case minister. Utiumova, Anna, Assemblyman, Assisiriwa, Anabo Balaski, were being getting. Now, I have a passage, my dear, Mudama, Nana, mine, yes, and Manina. Anna, my you car.
I didn't come, Sana.
Now, Bob, Papa Bell, Corner free, no drink now, I'm going with my mother. Okay, hello, good morning.
Yeah, just open it you.
This is your friend about the free motion.
Okay.
So I'm not a papa. And also, Moshe since college of only 2008, and it's actually you. You read the moment, I better luck next time.
Okay.
So you're to my first.
Okay.
So, bye.
Bye. There's a man who phone with Jason and can number Arsenal.
I'm catching up.
Whoa, yeah, sorry, so my birthday no quick and young call. Happy birthday to Auntie Mary Lang. Okay, happy birthday to Anne Mary Lang. And no, wawoda enti yen show awoda pa and Mary Lang and wawoda enti happy birthday and komana me kaze China ni o enti
and that's a summer test coach no dinamadu
oh nice
ne birthday then no nya 54 years
oh nice
enti ye be happy
coach onyere no no mo adwuma wo yes so news to aso ya crowd
Say yo, Sean Kingston. Your way to beauty.